Hello, this is an egg opening video. Yay! These two, the one with the crazy hair, crazy scientist hair, that's Amelia, and this is Noah, my two little siblings. They absolutely adore surprise eggs. It's okay. You can open one now.
Okay, Amelia, pick an egg.
Get an egg.
I want to get an egg.
You want this one?
I want to get an egg. Okay.
Okay, you take that egg.
I got one.
What's inside?
George.
George! It's George from Peppa Pig. She loves George. She's screaming for him. There you go. Okay. Open another egg, Noah.
Okay.
Let me see what's in there.
What's inside?
It's a Littlest Pet Shop. That's pretty cool. I haven't seen those in a while.
Let's get an egg.
Not yet. We're going to put that. Oh, it fell over. Right there.
They can't really see Georgie Pig because Georgie Pig is right there.
Yo.
Okay. You want that egg?
I picked the orange egg.
The orange egg. Is that your favorite color?
Yes.
Orange is your favorite color?
Shopkins.
Shopkins!
Let's put
Can I
this
see 'em?
one. This one. Do you want this one?
Look at these. These are cool.
This is Peppa Pig. I think she sees.
Pretty cool. Can I see the other one? Neat. I like Shopkins. Shopkins are really cool.
Let's get an egg.
Yeah, get another egg.
Noah, get another egg. Let's open it up. Spongebob.
Look at that. It's a Spongebob ball.
Let's get an egg.
We're going to put that right here next to... We'll put the Shopkins there too. And the other Shopkins. There we go.
I think this egg. I put this egg.
Okay. What's inside?
Strawberry.
It is a strawberry. It's a pretend strawberry. It's a cool toy strawberry. Look at that.
Hey, it's yummy. Our baby over
Pretty
here has
realistic.
picked an egg. It's a 10.
Amelia, did you pick an egg?
This egg. Let's pick an egg.
What's inside this egg?
Egg.
Let's see what's inside.
Let's pick an egg.
There. These are pretty cool. Look. See.
Pick an egg. Let's pick an egg.
Hold the camera, Zoe.
Let's pick an egg.
See, you take the
Let's pick
egg
this.
and you put it on.
Let's put this. Let's get an
Oh,
egg.
these are kind of tough sometimes. See, they're really cool. I like these a lot.
I'm picking that egg. I'm picking that egg.
You got another egg, Noah?
Let's open it.
What is that behind you? It's a zebra with a sombrero on it.
Plankton.
It's a
Plankton!
Take it. This. I open. I think
I can do that one.
Yeah.
Okay,
Our
Abby's gonna
baby
assemble
has
that one.
picked an egg again.
Zoe, stop calling her that. She's our sister.
Our sister has picked an egg again.
I am the
Amelia, did you pick this egg? You want to open it?
one of the assistants for.
Let's pick an egg.
What's inside there? It's a Shopkin.
I got it. Let's pick an egg.
It's a Shopkin.
Let's pick an egg.
There's a
Pick an
Shopkin
egg.
and some marbles. Those are all pretty cool.
Let's pick another egg.
I like Shopkins, especially the food ones. Those are my favorites.
Let's pick an egg.
Camera.
Let's pick an egg.
There's Plankton. He's finished. Plankton's in SpongeBob. That's one of my favorite shows.
Let's pick an egg.
Amelia's going to pick another egg. We've got 25 surprise eggs. Well, not anymore since we opened a lot of them, but we did. We've got another Littlest Pet Shop. Oops, it's not. There we go. They're pretty cool. Let's put it next to these.
I'm picking an egg.
Amelia over there drew all over my hand.
It's toad.
It's Toad. It's a green Toad from Mario.
Let's pick an egg.
I like the green toads.
My favorite Toad is Yellow Toad.
Yeah, that's my favorite.
And Red Toad. Captain Toad is one of my favorites.
Okay.
Captain.
Let's pick an egg.
Yellow toad.
And the pink.
There's the green toad and
Oh, he fell down. Oh my gosh, he knocked down Spongebob. And Plankton.
I picked the big one.
You picked a big one. What's in there?
Mickey.
Oh, let me see him. It's a Mickey Mouse. This is a nice little figure. It's so cute.
Let's put that way.
Oh, oops.
There.
I think Amelia might want to play with this one. No, she wants to pick another egg.
she wants to play with Georgie Pig.
I want to pick that way there.
Oh gosh, you knocked down Green Toad. Oh, and Mickey.
I picked this one.
Okay, Amelia.
Yeah. I have to pick an egg. Jackers!
It's Hello Kitty.
Ah,
Looks like sort of a Lego one. That's pretty
I
cool.
got an egg. Green one.
It's a sailor Hello Kitty.
I picked the green one. Egg. And what's inside? What's
Noah
inside?
has
Oh goodness.
picked a green egg.
Oh,
What's
Hello
inside?
Kitty fell over.
Oh dear.
Oh my
Just
gosh.
let her roll.
Okay.
What's inside?
I don't know. I think
Mario.
Mario's inside.
Let's pick an egg.
Oh my gosh, I keep dropping all the toys.
Let's pick an egg.
No, not yet.
Mario, we'll
Not
put him
yet.
right next to Green Toad. Maybe you can help him up.
Now you have to pick another egg.
Oh no. Oh, he fell down too.
I picked another
Oh.
big one.
I picked another big one. I think Abraham Lincoln is inside.
No, it's candy.
It's a flashlight.
Just on my eyes.
I didn't shine it in your eyes.
Shine it at the camera.
See, look.
No, don't.
Wow.
See, it's a cool flashlight. It says mini torch on it.
Let's pick an egg. Oh, way back there.
What do you have there?
It's Patrick.
What's that?
Patrick, I think.
It's a Patrick egg.
Do you need some help? There we go.
Oh.
We'll give that to Abby and she'll assemble it for us.
I will make it Patrick. While I'm assembling it, I bet someone else is gonna pick another egg.
It's Daisy Duck. From Mickey Mouse.
Let's pick an egg. Let's pick an egg.
We'll put her next to Mickey over here. Oh no.
Let's
Oh,
pick an egg. Let's pick an egg.
okay. I'm trying to get Daisy to stand up. Oh, she fell down again. Oh, man.
Here you go.
Okay, Daisy can lay on the ground there.
And I got Patrick assembled.
There's Patrick. He's finished.
Noah,
Those are pretty neat. I like those a lot.
I picked the pink one.
I like these guys.
Follow me so you can
Remember what's inside.
Let's see.
I like this one. This one's one of my favorites.
Marbles. Lots of marbles. Oh, I like this one. See, look at all the
like those
colors
too.
on there.
There's lots of colors on those.
This one reminds me.
Nice
I
pattern.
like this one.
Marbles. Yes, Amelia.
I will pick an egg now.
I will.
I kind of want to.
Let's pick an egg.
I kind of want to pick it.
Okay, you can pick an egg, Zoe. Zoe's gonna pick an egg.
I picked an egg. I picked an egg too.
There are Mighty Beans.
I got egg. I got egg.
I like these ones too.
I got egg. I got egg.
We've got a biker bean
I got egg.
and a
I got egg too.
Nick Fury bean. Nick Fury's from the Avengers. He's cool.
I got egg. I got egg.
It is a Nick Fury bean.
More Shopkins.
More Shopkins.
Egg.
We've got an orange and some coffee, it looks like.
Standing on the table.
I like the orange one.
I got an egg.
I really like Shopkins.
I've got an egg.
We've still got these big eggs right there. We've got this little strawberry one and this big pink one
I'm picking
that kept
eggs.
falling down when we tried to set it up.
I got a yellow egg.
A yellow egg? It's candy! Oh my gosh, we dropped it on the floor.
It's Twix.
It's a Twix. These are good. I like those.
Yeah, they have yummy caramels inside.
Looks like we've got some more Mighty Beans. I have a lot of these.
I picked this one.
We've got a
I picked a red and blue
football bean.
egg.
It won't focus on that for some reason though. There we go.
That's egg. That's this.
And we've got a
That's this one.
it says it's a saber-tooth
I want
bean.
that.
Not exactly sure though.
Look at
Because it keeps
She wants
not
an egg, I
focusing.
think.
And we've got is that another? No, it's not. Let's see.
No, I picked this.
What is it? A drag racer bean.
One.
We've got lots of these.
Let's pick one. Let's pick
There's a big egg with a smiley face.
and some
It's got a Princess Peppa.
It's a Queen Peppa.
It's a Princess Peppa.
It's a queen.
Mummy Pig is the queen.
But it's a Queen Peppa. The princess one has a princess. The big strawberry one.
Fine, it's a queen. Queen Peppa.
Yes, that's queen.
Oh, you want the big strawberry.
And the last one is Amelia gets the pig because it's the last one.
Let's see what's inside.
Not
It's Disgust from inside out.
Not yet.
We've got Disgust. And we've got the console.
If you press the console button,
Yeah,
you
if you
put
put the
face
console,
by
it glows. It's pretty cool.
They'll light up. See this one. Hey, where'd Angle's?
Anger's fire fell off. And here's Sphere.
And if you put
We'll see if
him,
he glows.
he goes blue.
He does.
I think.
Oh, he does. That's pretty cool.
Open the. Anger glows. Hey! This egg
Fire
is
fell off.
animal!
Oh my goodness! Wow, look at all these
Stay on.
toys.
Last of all, let's open that giant egg. Here you go, Amelia. I want it.
Noah, would you like to open the gigantic egg? Oh, that's pretty hard to open, isn't it? You got it open! It's a Hello Kitty. It's a stuffed Hello Kitty.
A giant one.
It's pretty big. We had a hard time getting it in that egg. See, look, here's my hand next to it. See, here's my hand that Amelia drew on with pen. Next to this Hello Kitty. It's pretty big. Oh, I tipped it over. Alright. That's all we've got. So, goodbye, people.
Wait, open this one.
What? You found another one?
Egg.
Oh, is that the one you made? Okay. Say goodbye.
No.
Okay, fine.
Amelia say goodbye. She's sad.
Why are you sad?
I think she's sad because there's no more eggs left.
Oh, no. What's inside, Noah?
There are lots of toys here.
I think there's hot sauce inside.
Toys. I got
Okay, Noah, say goodbye.
No.
But you're not opening the egg.
There's a pool. Let her say goodbye. There's something in there.
I don't know if she can say goodbye.
Let's open this cup.
Okay, we'll open it.
Peanut butter in it. It should be peanut
What's
butter.
inside?
Is it peanut butter? It's a pool ball.
It's a miniature pool ball. Where'd that come
I think
from?
that's mine.
That's pretty
Came from my
silly.
mini pool table downstairs.
Noah, say goodbye.
That I got. It's so
Amelia, say goodbye. Okay. Abby, say goodbye.
Goodbye, friend. Goodbye.